Best Sports Cars for 2024 Ford Mustang. In the ever-evolving landscape of sports cars, few names carry the same weight and prestige as the Ford Mustang. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the latest offerings for 2024, the iconic American pony car stands out as a beacon of performance, style, and innovation, reaffirming its status as one of the best sports cars of the year. The 2024 Ford Mustang arrives with a host of updates and enhancements aimed at delivering an exhilarating driving experience that's sure to thrill enthusiasts around the globe. From its aggressive exterior design to its powerful engine options and cutting-edge technology features, every aspect of the Mustang is meticulously engineered to push the boundaries of performance and redefine the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2024 Mustang offers a range of potent engine options, including turbocharged 4-cylinder, V6, and V8 variants, each delivering blistering acceleration and heart-pounding thrills. Whether opting for the adrenaline-fueled power of the V8-powered GT model or the nimble handling of the turbocharged 4-cylinder, drivers can expect an unmatched level of performance and excitement behind the wheel of the Mustang. But it's not just about raw power. The 2024 Ford Mustang also excels in the corners, thanks to its responsive handling and precise steering. Whether tearing up the track or cruising down winding mountain roads, the Mustang offers a dynamic driving experience that's sure to leave a lasting impression on drivers and passengers alike. Inside the cabin, the Mustang welcomes occupants with a driver-focused design and a range of modern amenities and technology features. From premium materials and comfortable seating to advanced infotainment systems and driver assistance technologies, every detail is crafted to enhance the driving experience and keep occupants connected and entertained on every journey. As one of the best sports cars for 2024, the Ford Mustang continues to set the standard for performance and style in the automotive industry. Its iconic heritage, combined with its relentless pursuit of innovation, ensures that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand nothing but the best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Ford Mustang stands out as a true legend, an embodiment of American muscle and automotive excellence. With its unmatched combination of power, performance, and personality, it continues to inspire passion and excitement among drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best sports cars of 2024 and beyond.